Copy. Houston, copy.
Undocking confirmed at 10:22 a.m. Central Time.
Space Shuttle Atlantis departing.
Once again, Space Shuttle Atlantis has officially undocked from the International Space Station at 10:22 a.m. Central Time. The two vehicles 222 miles above the Indian Ocean, just to the southwest of Australia. Atlantis beginning the process of slowly backing away from the International Space Station at this time. This is still sequential video from inside the orbiter docking system ring, looking back up at pressurized mating adapter number 2. Atlantis now bidding farewell to the International Space Station. This shuttle has served as an important tool in the construction and the assembly sequence of the International Space Station. Atlantis delivered the U.S. Destiny Laboratory back in 2001, also the Quest airlock in that same year. It has delivered several of the truss segments of the station, the Columbus Laboratory, and of course the Rosfed module, the brand new piece that it delivered on this mission. Atlantis now 15 feet away from the station, slowly backing away.
Atlantis, station is now in attitude control. Hawk, I gotta tell you, you guys are consummate professionals with a great sense of humor. We were so glad to see you. Loved working with you. See you soon, brother, and stay safe.
Copy all, TJ, and same comments right back at you, brother.
Now 22 feet in between Space Shuttle Atlantis and the International Space Station. The shuttle slowly backing away at a very slow rate. This will increase over the next few seconds. Atlantis' jets will be armed and will begin the process of backing the shuttle away to a distance of about 400 to 600 feet. Atlantis now 35 feet away from the station. You're getting a good view of pressurized mating adapter number 2 there. That is the center dark section there on the end of the Harmony node. To the left and the right are Columbus, which Atlantis brought up back in 2008, as well as the Kibo Laboratory. A few minutes ago you heard Expedition 23 flight engineer T.J. Creamer wishing the crew of Atlantis a fond farewell. He was following not far behind the crew in his journey back to Earth. He and Oleg Kotov and Soichi Noguchi will say farewell to the station as well and come back home aboard their Soyuz coming up on June 1st. We now have downlink from Space Shuttle Atlantis. And there you can see the entire International Space Station complex there. If you look at the top, Atlantis currently casting a shadow on the solar arrays. The team here confirming that the flyaround has begun. STS-132 pilot Tony Antonelli now at the controls from Atlantis' flight deck. He will begin to fly Atlantis around the entire circle of the International Space Station. The two vehicles are currently out over the Pacific Ocean. They are bearing down on the western edge of Mexico here in a few minutes, and they'll be crossing over North America as this flyaround takes place. Space Shuttle Atlantis and the International Space Station there staring each other down at a distance of 458 feet. Once again, pilot Tony Antonelli at the controls of Atlantis beginning this fly-around procedure. The first rays of sunshine there hitting the upper atmosphere of the Earth as the station and the shuttle are out over the Pacific Ocean. If you look very closely, you can see some of the jets at the back of Atlantis firing. If this STS-132 flight does indeed